Hello, this is Matt Gear with my demo for assignment 1 for web server. We're going to start over here in terminal to start the server by typing npm start, and it tells us the server is running at port 3000. We'll come over here to our browser and type in localhost 3000. We'll put in a username and a random password, and it says password is incorrect, try again. We'll come back over, we'll go ahead and type in a username and the correct password, which is PPP. We'll log in, it says username Matthew, password PPP, choose where you want to go. We'll go to CS Home, and we go to CS Home. We'll go to Dr. Sung's home, and there's Dr. Sung's home. And then we'll type in any URL, and we'll go to bing.com. See an orangutan. And we'll come back over here and we can type in a different any URL, devdocs.io, and it goes to devdocs.io. So that has been my demo for assignment 1. Thank you very much for watching and have a good night.